Okay, so what are we working on today? Well, my neighbor has a golf cart. So my neighbor has a golf cart and the grandkids love it. And he said it needed new batteries, so I found some, brought them home. I discovered his terminals are pretty shot. So I got me a new ends to put on these. I'm gonna fix all these ends and put all these in there. Got a pretty good deal on these, 136 bucks a piece after the core charge. So I'm gonna get busy on that and we'll talk to y'all later. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is just clean this old one up. And oh, let's see, what'd be the best thing for that? I'm sure I got something around here. Yeah, sometimes WD-40 works pretty well. Try a little of that. See what's left after we scrape that off of there. Boy, them old ones are pretty far gone. Boy, I can tell you that. Lots of times I'll coat these things down with Vaseline to try and prevent more of that kind of thing from happening. This little stuff in here is acetone and old transmission fluid. The acetone gives it a little bite, and then the old transmission fluid gives it a little lubricating property. Now I know there's some more down there that are bad. Not as bad as that one, but some of them might be close. I got one more of these little clips, and I might need to put it on another one. In fact, I know I got one down there that needs it. So I'm gonna take y'all back to the golf cart and we'll look at that. Oh, let me show you this. Special delivery. I'm saying that's going to be clutch and the throwout bearing and various and sundry other very cool rat rod things that just came today. Oh, the joy. Woohoo!
Well, there's some heavy, isn't it, huh?
Boy, there's some heavy. Alright, I'm going to show you all this here. These batteries were way down in that golf cart inside of a tray that went around the edge of them, and there's no handle. This isn't a handle. This lifts these things off. So there's nothing to grab hold of when you've been over in there. So I made this. This is I mentioned the other day I was going to get a wiring loom that I had for the plug wires. Well, this was part of that, and I took this and I bent it all up so that I can stick one of these over there and get it up under that little bit, and stick one of these over here and get it under that little bit. That way I can use that to lift these batteries up and and pull them in and out of there, which I can't do with one hand. But anyway, that's my little homemade quick invention. That's right here, and you can watch me attempt to pull one out without losing an eye. There's my cart right there behind me, so we just lift it up like this here. Put it right down in there. That's how that goes. So 6 of these are 8 volts. They're heavy. So this is the last one I got to drop over in here. And you can imagine, you know, trying to reach down. You see that tray that sits in? You couldn't get your fingers under it. You can imagine trying to reach over in there and grab that and pull it out without some kind of handle. So we got all the parts and stuff, all the wires and everything cleaned up. So once we get this done here, we should be good to go. I'm gonna sit the last one over in there, and then we'll hook it up, and then we'll call a neighbor and get him to come test it out. I don't even know for sure how you drive this thing, so I'm not the best tester for it. Let's see now, positive and negative. That ain't right. I had it right the first time. Almost lost it. Get on the other side and grab that thing. There we go. That's the last one. Oh, the joy. Oh, the joy. Now we'll hook them up. So anyway, there she is. The batteries are all in there. They're all good. That shows every connection is good. The batteries weren't completely charged. So we put the charger on it. It says 80% charge. But I don't know. Maybe it needs to go to charge complete. For some reason, it doesn't do anything. Like when you turn it on, hit the switch, nothing really happens. So maybe they need to get completely charged before it starts doing what it needs to do. But I took my meter out. I checked all the points that should have fire. They all have fire. So I told my neighbor, I said, well, let it keep charging. I'll look at it in the morning. So we'll see. We'll see if it goes in the morning. Might be good. Never know. Never know.